Birthday vibes.
Feels so good.
Main thing is about being together and being family, you know? Nothing better than that. Straight up.
Made it to the waterfall. Cataratas. What's the name of it?
Yeah, making our descent down. Our boys have done this journey, so let them lead today. Yes.
I can't think of the name of this fruit, but I want to find out. Let me see if it has a smell.
Research for the day.
Look, somebody's eating this one. So that's how you look at what it looks like on the inside.
Let me smell that.
When we come back up, we can ask the lady. Be careful. Oh, wow.
It's really for other animals trying to eat it.
Wow, it looks different. I want to go to the top. Yeah, oh, there's no sun. We missed it. Baba, I don't know. Yeah, you got to come here early. Yeah, for now. Yeah. We are the sun chasers.
Yeah, right?
Cut my locs off. Today is my total return. I'm 33 and this is all about transforming into a new version of myself. I love my locs. I appreciate my locs for holding me down for these past 4 years, but now it's time to go. This is my favorite one right here. I'm gonna tell you. Oh my goodness, I did it. Wow.
Support you with this, Mama Ruth, and I look forward to the regrowth, the regeneration of what you're about to bring and accomplish in this new cycle.
Oh my goodness!
I give thanks, Mama. Come on, Johnny, you gotta do it too. Look at Mama Ruth trying to get up here, y'all.
I made it.
Yeah. Yay. Happy solar return, Mama Ruth. Yes. 33. Thank you. Happy solar return, Mama Ruth. Many blessings, abundance, love.
All right, Baba gave me a little taper.
I got to get a little edge up.
An edge up.
I had to give Mama Ruth an edge up. Coming from Bree after she cut it without looking.
Yeah, because it was all uneven. Anyway, we are at one of our favorite restaurants here in town called Madre Tierra.
Busa.
Busa, say hi.
Say hi, Busa.
Busa does his own
Pump it.
thing.
Pump it.
Pump it, Busa.
Pump it.
Pump it.
Pump it. Pump it.
Busa does his own thing.
Yeah, man.
He wants Baba to walk him around.
They say he's Libra, but I think he's Aquarius.
So anyway, today's been so amazing and I'm just so grateful. I feel good. My family's good. All is well. All is wonderful. Yeah. I put some aloe vera in my hair and it's nice and soft. I just keep doing this. Like, it's real. I love that my face is free and my face is out because prior to, like, my locks was always like in my face and I always have to push them back. Now I just feel free, like all the way freed up. I want to show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna have Baba do a drip check. You feel me? This looks good. And we're just gonna go home and relax. That's about it. Get ready for tomorrow. Day 2 is Baba Ruth's celebration, his solar return. Yo, we are soaked.
Hey.
This is crazy.
Enough right in time though. We got soaked, bro, but it's still warm. We're in the tropics. We're lucky we ain't in somewhere cold.
Right. As soon as we got on the road, it just started coming down. Yo. Oh my Busa. Look at this. My whole outfit.
I know. Look at it.
It's wet.
As soon as you got to a certain point.
What? Happy birthday, Baba.
Thank you. I'm so blessed today. I'm about to go out here to this ocean, check out some wildlife. Yes, with the family.
It's the boat we're going on right there. Monkey Point.
Right there, you see?
Oh, yeah.
So when the ocean is low, people come walking by on the beach and come and fish here.
Wow.
You can catch like red snapper, jack, mackerel fish.
Nice.
Yeah. Have a lot of fish. So the island in front of us. So many.
Yes. I'm thankful, celebrating solar return. Thankful for life. It feels good.
Yes. Look what we got. This is a treat.
Nice one, nice one. Hey, oh, that one right. Another cut again.
I'm so hungry too. Oh my goodness. This one tastes different. We never had one like this. It's really sweet.
Like the Panama one then.
So what kind of bananas are these? Banana morado.
Purple banana.
They're so good.
Yeah, they're purple, so we didn't get right this time.
And then look at this one. The berry bar. Yeah. Let me show. They're so pretty. They're not ready. Nowhere near ready. But this is one of my favorite fruits ever. Look at the tiny one. Oh, yeah. Star fruit. Oh, it smells good. Carambola. These bananas are the best. What do you call them? Jackfruit. Bananas. All this is picked ripe straight from the tree. Just now. The jackfruit just got picked. These bananas just got picked and they're ripe. That's a really important thing, is when you have fruit, when you're picking them when they're tree ripened. That's the best of the best of the best. And here we are enjoying it. Boosa is living his best life.
Make the upgrade somewhere, you know?
Oh yeah, I can't wait till we can bring the boys here. The boys were sick, by the way. One of them was sick. Cuckoo was sick, that's why we didn't bring them. So next time we gotta make sure we bring all the youth out here so they can experience this. Yo, we totally forgot to even do a vlog. We just had a whole birthday dinner at this really nice restaurant. It's called Coqui Beach here in Puerto Viejo. And it was really good. Say hi, baby. Say hi. He's so funny. But Baba just went to the bathroom. We literally just finished our dinner. Lusa was asleep. He just woke up. And yeah, that's just how we're going to finish our evening, having dinner, and then going home. So funny. And here comes the birthday man. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to my king man. Hey, we forgot to record any of our vlogs for the rest of the day. Baba, so how was your birthday evening?
Oh man, it's amazing. The whole day from beginning to the end. And it's not over.
Funny. Just getting started. But yeah. Overall, it's a beautiful day.
Definitely the best birthday I can think of I've probably ever had.
Yeah, you did say that. This was the best birthday. With him being surprised by us coming.
Yeah.
Hey.
Such a beautiful thing. You see, I'm still holding my gift, my present. I've been holding my present since he got here.